Hi kids, today's book is called Leela Learns to Ride, read by Gracie. School is closed. No school, no fun. I will learn to ride the bicycle, says Leela. Ding ding, ding ding, ding ding. She sits on the bicycle. Ah! Thud! She falls down. Boo-hoo! She can't stop crying. Ah! Then Dee Dee holds the bicycle. Leela climbs up again. Right pedal, left pedal. 1, 2, 3. Leela is riding. Whee! Leela can't wait to ride to school now. The end. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.